What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to edit a PDF on Affinity Designer. Here on Affinity Designer, you just simply need to go to the top left area and click on the Affinity icon right here. And once you click on this, it's going to take you to this page and you can click on Open or click on New right here. And of course, if you want to edit a PDF, you can click on the Open and this will open your local file folder. And then of course, you can select the file you want to edit. And then if you're opening this document for the first time, you need to choose if you'd like to load all pages or load specific pages. If you, in case you want to just make an edit on a particular page, so this is up to you. Choose all pages or load pages. And then of course, you can click on OK. Then of course, once you have your file, you can simply click on an area, double click on it. And if you want to make some edits, you can simply say more edits. This is just to show you that we're already making some changes to the file, and you can click away and you can see that the change has been added right there. If of course you want to change the color, this is up to you. You can highlight it and then change the color to red. And now it's red. So we just selected it and then came over here to the color selector and chose the color we wanted. Then of course, once you're done, you can go over to File, the top left area, and you can click on Save to save it exactly with the same name. Or of course, you could click on Save As to have another copy of the document, one with the original and one with the edit right here from Affinity Designer. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to edit a PDF on Affinity Designer.